Dear friends, Wonder Tips channel has brought for you sprouted black chana benefits. As we know that black chana is very healthy vegetable. It can be used as a vegetable with some masalas and all puree. It can be taken with rice and simple chapatis. Very good North Indian dish, and it is removing lot of problems from our body. We can say that chana is a fighter against all the diseases. It contains iron, fiber, proteins, calciums, which benefits for our body. Sprouts we can take, vegetable we can make, roasted we can take. We are having lot of way to use black chana, but definitely once in a week it should be used. If we take regular sprouts in breakfast, then constipation will not be there. Everyone becomes full of energy all the day. If someone is having sugar, diabetic, then blood glucose is controlled, BP is also controlled. If someone is having shortage of iron, then sprouts make it. Anemia is avoided in mankind. If some persons go regularly for urine pass out, then this problem is solved with the sprouted chana. Depression, if someone is having, it is also avoided. It increases the metabolism. Men's fertility is also improved with regular usage of chana as a vegetable or sprout. If we put on our face, mixing with some turmeric, the sprouts plus milk, then it gives a very good beauty tip. In jaundice, if we take it daily, then it goes away. If we give it regularly to our kids, then their growth, oral growth is improved. So we see in this way, it is very helpful in maintaining our proper weight. Weight is reduced if you use daily in your breakfast sprouts. Body toxins are also taken out. If you are having cough or cold, then it is very beneficial. Immunity system is also improved. Some studies have shown that even grams are having more power than meat. So it is on us how we use it. Some families maintain regular usage of sprout and at least as a vegetable once in a while, in a week. So dear friends, when such a beautiful item we are having, so we should take full advantage so that total family is healthy and we need not to bother for doctor. So if you liked my video, then share it, subscribe it. Thank you.